make a movie. I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best friends making boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Tayo, oo, rin. Doon ka nga pa-interview tayo. Do I have the same number with my credit card?
You can if you want to, doesn't matter.
Yeah, it will. I mean, it will like the same with me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you. Kala ko naman may ano siya, may ribbon. Diba Cyrus Pizza may ribbon? Eto wala. Kasi si Beo, pizza ah? Siyempre, mayaman ako eh. Yeah. Update. I don't know what else to share. Gusto ko lang talaga magkaroon ng chit-chat kasi I feel like, it's been a while na since I talked to you na parang, alam mo yun, yung naka-catch up tayo as friends, na parang may intimate moment. Kasi, ever since nag-move kami dito, parang feeling ko, ang napapakita ko na sa inyo kapag may ganap kami, whenever we're going out and all. And I don't wanna just show that type or side of my life. Hindi siya laging ganun, lagi kami maayos. And all, normal pa rin naman yung buhay namin dito. If you guys don't know, I started working already. So, I'm making my own money now. Which is something na kanina ko lang din na-realize na, oo nga, no, nag-work na pala talaga. And all. And in terms of work, na-share ko naman din na before. Wait lang. This might take a while. I'm gonna put some shirt on. So there, it's already, I feel like it's around, I went ko for some reason, walang clock dito sa bahay. Pero, going back to what I was saying, ayun, it's not always like that na lagi kami naalas, ganyan. So, I spend most of my time sa work nga and all. And, ayoko naman dumating sa point na parang yun lang yung pinapakita ko sa inyo, yun lang yung nakikita nyo din. As much as I want to like update you and bring you guys with me sa work, hindi naman siya allowed and walang ganun ka-interesting at saka wala ring time na madadala ko talaga kayo sa work and all. Pero if you guys don't know, or I have mentioned this already, and if you're new here, I am taking a new path na hindi talaga align sa academic life ko before, or yung field of work na pinag-aralan ko. And yung field of work ay yung academic, yung program ko before, hindi siya aligned sa field of work that I'm currently having right now. But ayun, nabasa ko natin to before na sa TikTok. Pero before. I keep on saying before. Let's see what we have now. I'm talking about the present yun. Anyway, basta nakita ko to before, last na yan, sa TikTok na yung dreams natin, pwede din siyang i-park. Alam mo yung parang pause muna, andyan muna, but it's still yours. Ganon. Pinost mo muna, pero you can still go back to it and, you know, navigate life with your dreams and all. So, yun, kaya din ko siya share sa inyo kasi as I take this path na hindi ko naman talaga field of work, I encounter challenges as well. And even, syempre, yung pag-adapt dito, if that doesn't speak adaptable yung skills ko, adaptable ako as a person. I don't know about you, but girl, pero just to let you know, grabe ang hirap din talaga kasi alam mo yun, yung hindi mo siya feel, tapos nasa point ka pa na nag-a-adjust ka talaga and all. Pero yun, nag-struck pa rin sa isip ko yung sinabi sa akin ng supervisor ko na yan, kinakamusta naman, syempre may evaluation and all, tsaka yung daily, like, syempre, update, ganyan. So, sabi niya, embrace mo lang, ganyan. Tapos, naalala ko na yun yung sinabi ko dun sa inyo na term, nung sa vlog ko, if you can still remember na this is me embracing new beginnings. And part of it is not just, you know, part of it is yung mga struggle. It's not just about the fancy things and all. Yun. Ayun lang naman gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na I just wanna be vulnerable with you guys and all. I just wanna be transparent kasi feeling ko din, ayun yung somehow nawala sa akin na parang, diba, ever since na I learned the beauty of privacy and all, na minsan na nagkakaroon ako ng cognitive dissonance na, is this me valuing my privacy, or is this the part of me not showing vulnerability with you guys? And I feel like I lost connection somehow with you guys ever since 2019. A lot of things has happened since then. Feeling ko hindi na ako ganun ka-open and, you know, careless of what people may think about me, careless of whatever it is that I'm doing, especially here sa YouTube. Kasi back then, parang gusto ko lang talaga mag-create, gusto ko lang mag-share, ganyan. Kasi na-inspired din ako na mga pinapanood ko before. And, yun din, gusto ko din sabihin na parang hindi ko ma-imagine na before, ang mga pinapanood ko international YouTubers, ganyan. Tapos, ganito yung life na nakikita nila. Nakamiss nga ako nung pagkapunta namin dito. Kasi parang mga laruan talaga yung neighborhood na parang may kanya-kanya sa kotse. Tapos, pare-parehas ng sukat, pare-parehas ng ng architectural design. Parang, alam mo yun, parang, hindi ko na-imagine na darating pala sa point na parang I get to live or it's possible to have the same life that I admire with the people that I just watch here on YouTube. And I hope by sharing this, I can do the same thing. Am I doing the same thing with you guys? No. Yeah, I feel like I am just yapping here. Pero, yeah, that's just the life update so far. And I hope na mas makontinue ko tong pinagagawa ko dito and all. I hope na mas maging, just ma-share ako. Just like before. Ayun na yun last. So, yeah, let me know if, like, napansin nyo ba na nagbago ako? Ganyan, masyado na akong, like, picky na lang, ganyan, mga aesthetic na lang, hindi na ako masyado nakapagdaldal sa inyo. Pero, I might revive my podcast after doing vlogs. Kasi miss ko na rin talaga yung, to just sit down and let my thoughts be out of my mind. So, yeah, let me know your live updates so far, and I might update you this week kasi I might go out tomorrow because it's gonna be my rest day. And yeah, bibili rin kasi ako ng gift sa pamangkin ko kasi birthday niya Saturday. Hindi ako pwedeng bumili ng Saturday kasi may work ako noon, hindi ako pag-leave. Ako lang din kasi sayang din naman yung oras ko. Kung naman sayang kasi I would spend it with them, but like feeling ko kasi usually pag umalis kami tanghali din around 4 uuwi na ako. So yeah, I'm gonna go out tomorrow. Probably main agenda ko is yung birthday gift, and then kasi hindi nga ako makakaano lang Saturday kasi pag Saturday ako bumili 4 PM ako mag-out, probably mga 5 ako makapunta ng mall. And ayoko ma-rush na maghanap pa ng maghanap pa ng gift. Though, ang cons is, kapag bumili ako ngayon, hindi ko alam kung paano siya itatago. So, it has to be something small but special. You know what? The special things comes in the tiny. Ano yun? Basta yun. Yeah. Life update. I wanna sleep. Actually, intake ko lang sila. So, yeah, I'm home alone. And this is the first time that I'm home alone, and I love it. I'm loving it. So yeah, probably I'll just rot in bed and spend time with myself, ganyan, and plan out things and start editing this vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.